Good morning, dear student. Today I will solve exercise 1.1 in chapter first set. Question number first. Which of the following are set? Justify your answer. First, the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. So it is finite set because it have finite element because it has have finite element January, June and July. Second part, the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. It is not set because there are many most talented writer in India. It have infinite set. Third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. It is not set because there are many 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. Fourth, the collection of all boys in your class. It is set because finite number of students in your class. Fifth, the collection of all natural number less than 10. It is a set because less than 100 natural number, it is finite set. And sixth part, a collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. It is set because there are finite set, limited number of novel writer Munshi Premchand. Seventh, the collection of all integer. It is set. And eight, the collection of all question in this chapter. It is set because limited number of question in this chapter, or it is finite set. And at last, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is not set. It is not set because there are many most dangerous animals in the world. It is infinite number of element, so it is not set. Question number 2. Let a set is equal to element of set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate belong, does not belong in the blank space. Question number first, part of first, solution solution of this question, part of first. 5a, element of 5 belong to in set A. So 5 present in set A, so it is 5 belong to A. And second part, 8a, 8 element of 8 does not belong in set A. So 8 does not belong to A. And third part, 0 dot dot A. 0 does not belong to in set A. So does not belong to A. 0 does not belong to A. And fourth part, 4 dot dot A. Fourth element 4 belong to set A. This is 4 belong to A. And fifth part, 2 dot dot A. 2 element of 2 present in set A. So 2 belong to A. And also sixth part, 10a. 10 does not belong to set A. So 10 does not belong to set A. And fourth D is equal to x such that x is an prime number which is divisor of 60. So D, element of set 2, 3, 5. So this is element of those element divisor 60. And fifth E, the set of all letter in the word trigonometry. So E is equal to element of set T, R, I, G, O, N, O, not repeating the element, M, E, T, not repeating, write only one times, and R, write only one times, and Y. So this is element of the set E. Question number 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. First part, 3, 6, 9, 12. These number multiple of 3. So now let us start this solution. X such that x is equal to 3n. n belong to natural number. N, put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. So this is solution of this question. And 5. So this is written in this form. So you can write x such that x is equal to 5 power n. 5 की power n. n belong to n. And 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 4. Now put 1 is n 5 power 1 5 and 5 power 2 25, 5 power 3 125 and 5 power 4 625. So 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. And second part, so now x such that x such that x is equal to 2 की power n belong to n and also 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. So put n for natural number less than or equal to 1 to 5. So n is equal to 1 2 की power 1 2 2 की power 2 4 2 की power 3 8 2 की power 4 16 and 2 की power 5 32. And also fourth part, this x such that x is an even natural numbers. Question number 5th, fourth part of 5th, set 1 4 9 dot dot 10. So this you can write x such that x is equal to n की power 2. n belong to natural number and n 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. This is 100. So this set put 1 की power 2 1 की power 2 की power 2 4 2 की power 3 9 10 की power 2 100. So this is builder form. That's all.